Okay, the clock's ticking. We've got 60 seconds to fully load up an X sheet with filings. So the first thing we need to do is log in. So let's do that really nice and quickly. And as soon as we logged in, it will take us straight to the search box. So we can choose, say, Microsoft and search for filings for Microsoft. Here we go. We'll pick the first 10K, the latest one, add that. Maybe we'll restrict this search just to 10Ks. So we get a nice list. And then we can just add the second one really quickly. Let's make sure we hit the button. There we go, and there's the third. But maybe we want to search for another company. Maybe we'll search for Apple, but I can never remember its ticker, so let's actually search by company name. There it is. Excellent. So then we can click on search. That will give us all the apples. We can find the right company. That's the one we want. We can search again for all its filings. It brings down the 10K, so let's pick that one. And then the next one. So we've got the latest two. Click on X sheet, and we're ready to download.